Hello and welcome back. Paulie here, and I've got a great recipe. Alright, we have our cooked ingredients in a blender. So to that we're going to add just a splash of water to start. Just a tiny bit, and that'll get us ready to start blending. So let me get this blending started here. Now that I've got that blended, I'm going to go in with some kosher salt. Like so. I've got some cilantro I want to put in there. We're going to put in some lime juice. Not too much, but just enough to give it some of that flavor. Like so. And then we're going to add some sweetener to it, so I'm just going to use some agave here. Put some of that in there. Like so, and we'll blend it up again. Alright, so we want to give it a taste test after we blend everything in. It's got enough sweetness, it's got enough salt, and it's got plenty of heat from the serranos I used. I used whole serranos, seeds and all, to make it spicy and hot for myself. If you don't want it spicy, just remove the seeds before putting your vegetables in the oven for baking. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get this into a nice bowl and get it chilling, and then we'll be ready to serve it. So stay tuned. Alright, there is our salsa. It's got a great balance of flavors here. It's got spicy heat. It's got sweetness from the agave, it's got plenty of salt, it's got acidity from the lime and the tomatillos. But let's go ahead and give it a taste test here. So good. The cilantro adds a nice added level of freshness to it as well. And it's got that nice kick at the end from the serrano peppers. But I hope you enjoy this dip recipe at your next barbecue or party. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.